So I think we might have the basic layout, maybe. Turn you around. So where I've taped there, there's going to be a bed there, a single bed underneath, so we've still got a bit of space in boot. Cupboard up to here, over sliding door. Shower over there, another seat there with seat belt, and then obviously bulkhead will be gone, them front seats will turn around. So yeah, hopefully we're somewhere near that. See what happens.
We took that wall out.
Took that panel off, look.
There.
And Macy's taking this one off now. And trying to get rid of all these electrics that we don't want up front there, so we can take bulkhead out. So yeah, looks a bit complicated. That's doing me head in, to be fair, but
this is doing mining.
It's got to be done. Is it?
Yes.
Oh,
who the heck?
Well, it's to protect it, kid.
True.
So yes, now we'll show you his progress in a bit. Big up, jungle is massive, may I say.
Yeah.
In a bit.
Bye.
Dog shit. Quite a bit of electrics out. I just need to go through that and disconnect it properly from the battery and that. And then Macy took the panels out. We're keeping them for now because we're going to hopefully make new panels with them. So there'll be nice templates, hopefully. So yeah, we've took that one off at back door, there's some in there, so we'll make templates off them. Put a couple of sound deadening things on just to start us off, but we've got loads of sound deadening to do, and then get more of them wires out.
The rest of the sound deadening's not that colour though.
It is.
Black?
Yeah, the sound deadening is.
Oh.
You're on about the insulation. The insulation.
Yeah, it's solar in it.
Yeah. That's the vapour barrier. The insulation is the stuff that's like a wool.
Oh, okay, I get what you mean.
That's a vapour barrier.
Weird.
So yeah, taking all panels out so we can sound deaden it and insulate it. So big up, jungle is massive. We'll see you on the next one, boys and girls. Well, we might add this one to the next one because it's only a short one so far. So
yeah,
we might just add it to the next one, but we'll see.
For the short video, but we got halfway through the job and we were like,
yeah, we got halfway through the job and we're going on a bike ride. Big up. In a bit, dog shit. So today I'm on my own, so I'm gonna be ripping out some more panels, maybe floor, some more of that electrics. So yeah, I've got to rip them out, maybe floor out. Don't know what I'm going to do with them oars yet, but we'll get to it. And all them electrics up there, they've got lights and that on the roof, but I think I'm going to take them lights off and them lights there. So yes, no. Big up, jungle is massive. Put you on some time lapse and that. Big up. Yeah, I've got most of the electrics out and most of the boarding. I haven't took floor out yet. I'll switch around and show you. So that's where that panel was, and all wires went on here. And all electric stuff is there. I've got to pull them out which go to switch panel above your head, and I think that goes to battery, but I've fingered it off so it's safe. So when I take bulkhead out, I'll take all them out from panel in front. So yeah, all panels are off. I've just got to take floor up, and yeah, I'll get back to you in a bit. So yes, no.
I'm not rating this till I'm standing in the van.
So today we're going to take bulkhead out, aren't we, kid? And the rest of all them epoxy wires that are doing my head in.
Me too.
So yeah, in a bit, put you on some time lapse and shizzle my nizzle and that.
Peace.
Big up, Jungle is massive. Nice day. Right, so yes, no, boys and girls, today I'm cutting holes in my van for windows. Oh my goodness, proper pants is coming out, but yeah, we're going to get on with it. I'll turn you around and see what we've done so far. So I've just taped it up. I don't want no metal going anywhere. My mate Robbie, big up, Jungle is massive! And then we've cut the beams off on the inside, and now we're just gonna. So yes, now we'll see you in a bit of dog shit in that. Yeah, put you on a time lapse or that kind of shizzle minizzle. Big up. So I cut this side out with a nibbler, one that fastens to your drill, and I did the other side with a jigsaw with a metal blade in. So both just as easy as each other, to be fair. So if you ain't got a nibbler, jigsaw will do the job, no problem. So here I'm just touching up the bare metal with some Amorite. Windows in. Big up my mate Robbers.
Big up.
First window in. Big up. Jungle is massive. So sliding door want to do. So yes, now big up. So today we're doing sliding door window. So there's not much to see really, but I'll show you a little bit. Basically, what you've got to do is you've got an hole in your van, stick window on. These are a bit to follow, so you don't come out of the lines, so to speak. So all you do from the inside is follow the lip on the inner side. See if I can show you what I mean. So if you look on the inside there, you see the lip where the outer skin joins the inner skin. So you just follow that round. You've got to cut your beams off like you do in a mall, and then cut round it, put your rubber trim on and stick your window in. First one we did last week. But for you, a bit of same video. So yeah, big up, jungle is massive. So I'll get back to you when that one's in. Yes, no. Big up. There we go. Both windows in now. Yes, no. I have tested other window and I didn't have no leaks from that, so touch wood. We won't get none from this. I had hose pipe on it, squared it all over, so yeah. Windows done. Big up, jungle is massive. Turn you around, show you. Yes, no. Oh, look from inside. I've got a little bit of the stuff splodging out at the top, but I'd sooner I'd do that than leak. You won't see them once I've trimmed everywhere inside. So yes, no. Windows done. On to the next project, which probably will be, well, I'll let you see in the next video. Big up, jungle is massive.